Hi,
Hello.
Regan.
Hi.
What prebiotics or probiotics you feed to your gray? I saw you in your presentation.
Yes, sir. We add Versalalaga, Orodigest, and Probizyme in a combination in our soft food,
Okay.
right? And you can also use Petcare International's Prozyme Care. These two products I have seen, they both have the Orodigest and Versala Petcare International's Prozyme, both have Bacillus subtilis in their contents, so which is like very good for your birds.
Okay, Vizilac. I am basically using Vizilac for my conures every week one time. Is it
Right.
recommended?
Sir, I've never heard of it. I've never used it, so I won't be able to advise you on it.
Okay, so thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I am Sabri from calling from Tamil Nadu.
Tell me, sir.
Can we insure our birds, sir?
Uh, maybe maybe in a year or two. But as of now, I've never heard of any such insurance policy in India which covers birds. But now that the government has started with what legalizing birds and everything, maybe down the lane we might have say in the next couple of days, couple of years, we might have insurances for your birds also.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
How do we insure our birds? If there any value for our birds, sir, what is your suggestion?
Sir,
We are
as
not
of now,
having
there
any
is,
fixed value for our birds.
sir, not only your birds, no livestock selling in India has a fixed MRP. Even cows, horses, dogs, nothing has a fixed MRP.
But
Even
but,
the
but that cow, but that cow, hen,
Mhm.
they are in the list of livestock. Why
Yes,
our
sir.
birds
See,
are
till
our exotics or and budgies or anything? They are in livestock. How can you view that?
sir, see, India had, according to the Wildlife Protection Act 1972,
Yeah,
right?
72.
India has made rules to protect their wildlife flora and fauna, right?
Okay.
So what all birds, animals in India, they are protected, covered, everything. But
Okay.
unfortunately, they didn't make any rules for exotic birds,
Okay.
right? So, but now recently they have initiated with registering your birds, legalizing your birds. You can register your pet shop. So maybe slowly down the lane, there will be rules, there will be regulations, there will be insurances for your birds, and possibly it can be a good business, just like your poultry or cattle business.
Okay.
Yeah.
yeah.
Right,
Hi,
sir.
I have a question actually. So you said
Yes, sir.
during this quarantine process, you mentioned some
Hmm.
broad spectrum antibiotics. I think I heard that
Right.
liquid Meriquin. So basically, I would like to know, suppose if a person feels a bird is sick and he doesn't have a vet access or something, so
Right.
what is the best broad spectrum antibiotic or
Yes,
like what you
see, sir.
recommend?
I'll let you know, sir. See, there are a lot of when I was a beginner, when I used to ask people around me, they used to recommend calcium, vitamin supplements, and all. But later on, logically, if you see, when a bird has an infection, for example, I go to a doctor with an infection, the doctor doesn't recommend me supplements. He'll first recommend antibiotics. So don't be scared of using antibiotics. Definitely, the infection has to be cured first, then only the supplementation, the good food and all starts. So the good antibiotics, I mean the broad spectrum antibiotics I use are liquid Meriquin. I use 1 ml in 1 liter of water. In the same 1 ml I use 1 gram of Neodox powder and 50 mg of Zocon. So two broad spectrum antibiotics clubbed with one antifungal.
So it's Neodox, right?
Neodox powder, it's a
Could
doxy.
you just mail all of it?
Sir, you can take my number from somebody. You can just WhatsApp me. I'll share you the information.
Sir, can you
Yeah.
tell your number, please?
Uh,
Aren't you sweet?
you can ask for Agriculture Association of Kerala or check out my Facebook page.
Okay.
Right there, you can find my contact number over there.
Yeah,
Right.
sorry, I have one more question. Actually,
Yeah.
you have mentioned throughout your thought like you used to mix all your supplements in the soft food. Is it
Yes,
a good way to mix it in the water and provide it?
sir.
Because some
See,
don't take food properly. So
I understand, sir. See, even I for quite a few years in my I have given supplements in water. But the best way is soft food. The reason being, see, when you have supplements added water, when there is access to sunlight, vitamins will immediately start promoting bacterial growth, right? So there are a lot of complications. It reacts, sometimes some supplements would react with the metal containers we are using. So there are a lot of things which can happen or go wrong. So the safest way is giving in soft food.
Sure, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Hi, Ogun. Meghna here from Bangalore.
Hi.
Actually, we want to know about this cleaning enclosures or even cages because we have a breeding pair right away, and
Right.
we want to know how many times do you clean and how is the
Ma'am, we disinfect, clean, and repaint our cages yearly once. Yearly once for 3 months. We shift all our birds to our flight cages. Right? You saw the video of the flight cage. During this 3 months, we entirely acid wash our cages once. Try to powder coat or paint them, and we use Virkon S or Corsolin TH mixed in water, 1 gram in 1 liter or 1 ml in 1 liter of water. Spray throughout the cage, put it in the sunlight for a few days or say a few weeks. Let them disinfect it properly, change the perches, give them new perches, throw away the old ones.
Also, here, very good job of doing in Ahmedabad.
So, so that's how you disinfect. That clears your doubt, ma'am?
yes? And one more question regarding
Yeah.
the grip. Do we find it in Bangalore or any part of India?
Corsolin TH is the same company as your multivitamin. What do you call? What's this?
Yeah, we have this like Bird
Verbac,
Plus,
Verbac,
Verbac, right?
Verbac. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
Corselin TH is of Verbac. Virkon
Mhm.
is Virkon also is available with many people in South India. You can
Mhm.
post some ads in your WhatsApp groups, bird groups. You'll definitely find someone who would recommend you a person.
Yeah, a great job by the way. A good presentation.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Anybody else? Any questions?
Yeah, Regan, hi, this is Arjun here.
Hi, Arjun. Tell me.
See, I was wondering about breeding of African greys. There's a lot of
Right.
confusion happening.
Mhm.
Some say, they need to be confined, separate from the other species of birds like macaws or like cockatoos. And I have seen personally abroad in many countries where,
Mhm.
there are macaws yelling next to the African grey
Right.
cages and still they breed without a problem. So according to you, what do you feel, even Tony Silva's video I had watched the other day where he's
Mhm.
got, a
See,
separate enclosure, separate
see,
place where he's got 50
I
African greys breeding.
correct. Sir, see, greys are social birds. They love being next to each other. They don't like interference of humans or any other bird species nearby. But still, over the time, as I told you, birds are like very adaptable. They'll easily
Yeah.
adapt another bird. But the thing is, when you have different species of birds nearby each other, there's always a good possibility of cross contamination. For example, cross contamination in the sense through food also, habits, and as I told you, African greys have powder dust. South
Mm-hmm.
American parrots don't have. South American parrots might be irritated, might face respiratory issues because of these greys. There's
Mm-hmm.
something from the South American parrots which might hinder the African. There's a good possibility of something going wrong. So better to keep, uh, say, a bird which has feather dust and issues confined to itself than mixing other. For example,